right, Preston, hook him up right here. Yeah. Hook him up on that guy. Yeah. You can hold me from behind. Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah, put him in. Oh my gosh, guys, there's a giant Goliath here. He's gonna destroy this bait. He's still down there?
Oh yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
You're gonna see him. Oh, he's on
Oh my.
No gunnel here, man. Here he is. Oh, he's gone. Dude, this is the biggest fish ever from a dog. Oh my gosh.
There he is. There he is.
Dude. Oh, it's insane.
I'm out of breath. There's
No! It's underneath the metal. Oh, thank you. He's trying to pull me in. He's trying to pull me in.
No, we've had it plenty of times. Oh my
Dude, he's just, this is unreal. This is unreal. Hold on. Trying to go. Hold on. Perfect. Come here. We're hitting the rod, right? You got the leader. Yeah. Ready? Got it? Hold on. Got it? Yeah. What? Guys, we're fishing from a dock. That thing's 300 pounds all day. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Let's walk him over here. You gotta pass through. Hold on. I'm in a bad angle. Okay, I'm good now. Hang on. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Dude, from a dock. Oh my gosh! We just caught this thing right here.
Yeah.
That's not a Goliath grouper.
Yes.
That's a Goliath
That's a
grouper.
Goliath.
Here.
Yes.
Right here, I'm gonna get in the water with him.
No, they were.
You're going to be able to give perspective now.
Look at the size of that fish, guys. That's the biggest fish I've ever caught from a dock. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Flat high five. Woo. Oh my gosh.